Wow. Wow. Let's go in here. Yeah, there's a promenade over there. Oh, could do that. Have some beers on the beach. Okay. Yeah, now might have to come back for this. Damn, doesn't get better than this. All the people on the beach, coconut, palm trees. This is ideal in terms of a beach city. It doesn't get better than this. And a lot of distance from the street to the beach. And the surf is, yeah, it's actually swimmable. All these trees, walkways, all the families out here. For the locals, why would you want to move anywhere else? Yeah. I mean, this is a good sized city, 500,000 now. Yeah, amazing. Damn. There's not as many abandoned buildings. Look at all the people. What a nice hangout. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
The beach here is better than
Oh, yeah.
For sure. Wider streets. I'm impressed.
Clean.
Yes.
The boardwalk, the beach area is so broad and wide.
Yes.
So people can really enjoy it without like stepping over each other like Waikiki or something.
Yes.
And the surf on the beach looks accessible. So it's not like it's pounding. Like Da Nang is pretty
It was pounding.
hardcore.
Yeah.
And you know, they have limited areas in which you can swim because the surf's high.
The streets are definitely much wider here. Look at this. Double lanes. Wow, I'm impressed. More place to sit.
Yeah.
More nice benches.
The parks in front of the beach.
Yes.
That's crazy. That's nice.
That's why, look at this. It's much busier than the beach in Da Nang though.
Yeah, I agree. So that is a famous orchid building. We'll make our way towards it. I love this area.
The
Under
Hyatt
construction.
Regency. That's the Hyatt Regency.
Okay. Doesn't look like anybody's in there. Very majestic.
Yeah.
Fin Pearl Island. All the people on the beach. And hustling on the beach with live fire. Wow. Night market. Welcome to Nha Trang. A park by the beach. Yeah. When serious and look at this coming up. It's so clean. Look, somebody had ambitious plans. It's like the victim of COVID.
Yep.
Tropicana Nha Trang. Ambitious plans. It's going to be a beautiful building, I bet. Yeah, really.
A lot of very nice buildings that have, and that drink is so good.
Mm-hmm. They're cleaning on the street. We came from that way, so we'll keep going this way. Some kind of like fresh squeezed juice or something.
Like freshly juice, right? Juice, not smoothie, right?
Yeah.
Juice, okay.
All right. That store was hot.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can go first, you can read.
Okay. Trying to think where that store is.
So show me where that place is. Show me where our hotel is.
He's ready to put them on my glasses. Did you see that? Well, we came in here first. So we're gonna try this store, Sport Market. All right, we're gonna make our way down the side streets of Nha Trang and our quest to find headwear, bucket hats, and footwear, tiger shoes. Those look kind of comfortable and pretty stylish. Well, bring back those tiger shoes. Actually, you lead, I follow. Yeah.
You want to go over there?
Sure. All right, now we'll be able to cross. Oh, that's where we had dinner last night. Oh, Let's check this out. Footwear of all kinds. Polka, golf shoes, big sale. Look at all the Nike, Adidas, Puma shirts, jackets. Yeah, hello. Xin chào. Nice. Dolce Gabbana, look at that.
Fancy.
Yeah.
Yes.
A Dior. Huh. Very nice. Dior. Gotta come back. Xin chào. Come on. Backpacks. Look at these.
I know all kinds of bags.
That's our hotel. The December. Well, one thing about that December hotel, we're on the 25th floor. And that would be like way up there, 25th floor. And the 26th floor is the infinity pool that we just visited. And the elevators are fast. So it's kind of weird. Really felt vertigo. Yeah? Wherever you want to go. Because the beach is over there. Yeah.
Where was the store that we were at yesterday?
This way, I believe. But more like on that street. Eric shoes. This is the street we saw. Try that. Let's see if they got some tiger shoes in here. Eric shoes. Ciao. Thank you. Thanks. Hello. Yeah, they got larger sizes because they got more. They're thick though. Good selection. Nice shoes. But they got the tiger over there. You should see if they have them. Okay. Nice and cool in here. Yeah. Ciao. Okay. We came from that way. So we'll keep going this way. See, a lot of signs are in Russian. So when you think about it, the Vietnamese can speak probably Russian, Ukraine. Well, it's the same language, I guess. I don't know. But Vietnamese, English, especially working in a tourist town, you're gonna pick up some things and get better and more natural at it. Try this one. King Sports. Again, acrylic language. Whew. Yeah, those are. Yeah, that's nice because that's multi. You can use it with a lot of different.
Wish I could get like an all white, but then it's really not going to show the color. Right. It's like a darker kind, like a
Yeah.
gray. This one that has some pink, but I don't want.
You can go with this one.
I'm just afraid it's going to get.
Oh, it's always gonna get dirty.
I want like an all leather. You know what I mean? So I don't want the suede.
But you can always brush it.
You're gonna brush it. I kind of want it that leather. I don't want the suede. I want the leather. The leather, all leather would have to be this. You know what I mean? Because it's easier to clean leather. Do you want anything?
No, not right now.
Do they have it for men's?
Sure they do, but I'm not looking for shoes right now.
Pretty nice.
That looks like the other one over there.
Yeah, the one that I was looking for.
Yeah, they are nice. What are you thinking?
Go back to the place, they have more.
Okay.
On cloud.
I know, yeah.
This is exactly like the one that you have.
Yeah.
They have more on cloud over there. That's all.
$32 for OnCloud.
Which you paid what, 110?
Yeah.
Looks real to me.
Mm-hmm. We need to get something to drink.
Yes, love. What would you want to drink?
Like some kind of juice. Some kind of like fresh squeezed juice or something.
Oh, okay. Back to there, like.
Big drop.